Starting, number 1. Shark Stratos AZ3002 Vacuum. The Shark Stratos AZ3002 upright vacuum delivers powerful deep cleaning with dual clean power fins hair pro technology, making it ideal for carpets, hard floors, and pet hair. It also features powered lift-away, HEPA filtration, odor neutralizer technology, and LED headlights for a cleaner, fresher home. Number 2. BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser Vacuum. The BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser Allergen Liftoff 39883 is a powerful upright vacuum designed specifically for pet owners. Its lift-off detachable canister makes it easy to clean stairs, upholstery, and hard-to-reach areas, while the tangle-free brush roll helps prevent hair wrap during cleaning. The HEPA-sealed allergen system captures dust, pet dander, and allergens, improving indoor air quality, and its strong suction delivers excellent pet hair pickup on both carpets and hard floors. Number 3. BISSELL CrossWave Vacuum. The BISSELL CrossWave Pet Pro 2306A is an all-in-one wet and dry vacuum that vacuums and washes floors simultaneously, making everyday cleaning faster and easier. Designed for hard floors and area rugs, it effectively picks up pet hair, dirt, and wet messes in a single pass. Its two-tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate for consistently fresh cleaning, while the tangle-free brush roll and pet-friendly cleaning formula help tackle pet hair and odors. Number 4. Hoover WindTunnel Vacuum. The Hoover WindTunnel 3 Max Performance Pet Bagless Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful corded upright vacuum built for homes with pets and heavy foot traffic. Featuring WindTunnel 3 technology and a quick pass brush roll, it lifts embedded dirt and pet hair with fewer passes for faster cleaning. Its HEPA media filtration helps capture dust, pollen, and allergens, while the bagless design. Number 5. Eureka AirSpeed Vacuum. The Eureka AirSpeed ultra-lightweight compact bagless upright vacuum cleaner, NEU10AE4, is a lightweight yet powerful vacuum designed for everyday cleaning. Weighing just 7.7 pounds, it delivers strong suction on both carpets and hard floors while remaining easy to carry, maneuver, and store. The quick-release handle allows convenient above-floor cleaning with the included crevice tool and dusting brush, and the washable filter helps reduce maintenance costs. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gadget reviews every week.